we must read the third and fourth complaints thoroughly. Parehas pong makapal ang mga ito. 98 pages ang third complaint, 72 pages ang fourth complaint, at pareho po itong may kalakip na napakaraming dokumento. Kung susumahin natin lahat at kasama ang mga kalakip na dokumento, lampas 900 pages ang third impeachment complaint at halos 800 pages ang fourth impeachment complaint. Hindi ito biro. Ito ay seryosong mga paratang na nangangailangan ng seryosong pagsusuri. Ang bawat pahina ay may katanungan. At ang bawat katanungan ay nangangailangan ng sapat na kasagutan. This is meticulous, detailed work that demands careful review and our full attention. Once again, let me reiterate, at this stage, we are not determining the guilt. We are not weighing the evidence. The only question before us is there enough in these complaints to justify moving forward with the impeachment process? Ito bang nakasaad dito? Sapat ba itong dahilan para sa impeachment? Now, I must acknowledge that yesterday was an interesting day. We witnessed a fascinating display of foresight, a moment when a colleague sought to act on a premonition, to address some matter before it even happened. But today, we leave the world of premonitions behind. We are not fortune tellers. Our duty is to scrutinize the documents now before us. Our focus is to determine whether the third and fourth impeachment complaints are sufficient in substance.